So looking at the rust repair, I think the first thing that needs to happen is this panel needs to come off and along this seam. Remove that and then reassess. But I believe the other section, which is this entire back piece, is going to have to come off. A few spot welds here, nothing up along here, and 3 spot welds at the top here. I think that's going to have to come off so that we can remove along here, remove this section and all along here, and some of this boot floor area is going to need fixing up as well. Is that right, Charlie?